Hi guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest innovative gadgets that are set to change your world. From drones that make you feel like a pilot to action cameras capturing every breathtaking moment, we've got something for everyone. But hold on, we've got a special surprise for you. Imagine a device that lets you capture stunning 360-degree videos in jaw-dropping 8K resolution, complete with invisible selfie sticks and AI-powered editing. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around to find out what this groundbreaking gadget is, and much more. Discover the thrill of FPV or first-person view drones with DJI's Avata 2, a gadget that promises an exhilarating flying experience. Unlike traditional drones, FPV drones like the Avata 2 fly more like airplanes, offering acrobatic maneuvers such as loops and barrel rolls. The Avata 2 aims to simplify FPV flight, making it accessible for beginners while delivering an adrenaline-pumping experience. The Avata 2 is available exclusively in a Fly More bundle, which includes the DJI Goggles 3 and the DJI RC Motion 3 controller. The goggles provide a live feed from the drone's camera to twin full HD OLED panels, creating an immersive flight experience. The RC Motion 3 controller uses tilting motions and buttons for intuitive drone control. Two bundle options offer either 1 or 3 batteries, each providing about 23 minutes of flight time, with the pricier bundle including a fast-charging cradle and a sling bag. Upon powering up the Avata 2, the Goggles 3, and the RC Motion 3, they pair seamlessly. The goggles accommodate glasses wearers and offer adjustable eyepieces and a diopter for clear vision. The micro OLED screens deliver sharp, bright images with minimal lag, and a double-tap feature switches the view from the drone to the surroundings without removing the goggles. The Avata 2 is designed to be resilient and capable of withstanding crashes. However, the motion controller's simplicity means advanced stunts are limited. For those wanting more control, DJI offers the Remote Controller 3, enabling manual flight for more complex maneuvers. The Avata 2's electronically stabilized camera records in 4K or 60 FPS or 2.7K or 120 FPS and supports a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile for enhanced post-production. DJI's Avata 2 simplifies FPV flying, making it intuitive for novices while capturing stunning cinematic footage. With few competitors in the market, its main rival is its predecessor, the original DJI Avata. For those considering an upgrade, the improvements in the Avata 2 might not justify the cost unless they highly value the new Goggles 3, which is not backward compatible. The Avata 2's specs include a 377 grams weight, a Type 1 or 1.3 cmOs image sensor, 4K or 60p video capture, and 23 minutes of flight time. It offers 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, with speeds up to 60 miles per hour. The goggles and controller enhancements, along with the durable build, make it an appealing choice for FPV enthusiasts and beginners alike. Break language barriers effortlessly with the Waverly Labs Ambassador Translator. The Waverly Labs Ambassador Translator is a futuristic language translation device designed to be worn over the ear. This over-ear design makes it more hygienic for sharing compared to in-ear buds and allows easy swapping between users. The device can translate 20 languages and 42 dialects, including Arabic, Russian, Mandarin, Cantonese, and Vietnamese. A single charge offers up to 6 hours of use. It's crucial to fully charge the device out of the box for successful Bluetooth pairing with the app. Included in the box is a mesh pouch for ear covers, an instruction leaflet, and a micro USB charging cable. The earpieces, about the size of a sliced hen's egg, are comfortable when worn over the right ear, but not the left, which could be problematic for some users. Using the Ambassador Translator is straightforward. Clicking the logo on the earpiece activates the microphone, while a side switch adjusts the volume. The device signals different statuses with LED lights: white for charging, green when fully charged, red during recording, and white for playback. The initial setup is simple. After downloading the app and pairing the earbuds to a smartphone, users can select from 3 modes: listen, converse, and lecture. Listen mode translates foreign speech in real time into the user's language. Converse mode allows two-way translation between users. Lecture mode translates the speaker's words and broadcasts them through a smartphone or Bluetooth speaker. In practical use, the Ambassador Translator performs well, especially in Spanish to English translations due to the similarities between the languages. It can handle informal speech and slang effectively, thanks to its installed dialects. However, translations between more dissimilar languages like Arabic and English are less precise. The device's practicality shines in various scenarios, such as international travel, business meetings, and personal interactions with speakers of different languages. For instance, in converse mode, it enabled effective communication between English and Arabic speakers, enhancing understanding despite some inaccuracies. Despite its strengths, the Ambassador Translator has some limitations. It struggles with rapid speech and background noise, making it less effective for translating media like movies or fast-paced conversations. Additionally, it requires repairing with Bluetooth each time it's used, and the over-ear design can be awkward and insecure during movement. Battery life varies, with intensive use lasting around 2 days and lighter use extending to 4 or 5 days. Charging is done via a proprietary magnetic cradle, which can be slow, especially when connected to a computer. Imagine an air purifier that's not only ultra-quiet, but also an elegant addition to your home decor. Introducing the Air A3 ultra-quiet air purifier, a blend of power and elegance. Unlike typical purifiers, the A3 boasts bold designs and vibrant colors, making it a functional art piece for your home. The Air A3 is both powerful and silent, covering up to 1,070 square feet and filtering 8,560 cubic feet of air in 30 minutes. Available in 10 colors and special editions, it offers 5 different filters, smart features, and a 5-year warranty. This purifier is designed to meet various needs, with customizable filters such as germ defense, pet allergy, toxin absorber, and odor remover. The A3's design is user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing, featuring a vibrant front panel with a matte finish to reduce glare. The sleek, touch-sensitive display provides essential information, including air quality and filter status. It can be wall-mounted, saving floor space and adding a decorative touch to any room. This purifier includes 5 filters, a pre-filter, medium filter, activated carbon filter, Bio-GS HEPA filter, and a customizable filter. It also features a negative ion generator, auto mode, and 5 fan speeds, and can be controlled via the Rabbit Air app. The app offers additional features like child lock, timer, and detailed schedules, making it more convenient than manual controls. Despite its high price, the A3 delivers exceptional performance. It's designed with a front and back for air intake and outflow, providing efficient air cleaning. Its powerful filtration system can trap particles as small as 0.1 microns with over 99% efficiency. The unit's minimalistic interface and LED indicators provide a straightforward user experience, and the app enhances control and monitoring. The A3 is a quiet powerhouse that ensures a clean, fresh environment. While it is more expensive than other models, its advanced features, high efficiency, and stylish design make it a worthy investment for those serious about air quality. Rediscover the joy of portable gaming with the Playdate handheld console by Panic, creators of Firewatch and Untitled Goose Game. The Playdate handheld console is a charming, unique device that rekindles the joy of portable gaming. It also features a quirky crank controller and a variety of simple yet intriguing games. The Playdate specs include a 168 MHz Cortex-M7 CPU, 16 MB RAM, 4 GB storage, and a 400 by 241-bit display. It also boasts Wi-Fi, a mono speaker, a headphone jack, a mic, and a battery life of up to 8 hours. It comes with a USB-C cable and 24 games in Season 1. Despite its compact size, the Playdate offers powerful performance. It can run 2D and even some 3D games, with a D-pad, A and B buttons, and a crank for varied control options. The crank, though stiff at times, adds a novel twist to gameplay. The display is sharp, but lacks a backlight, requiring good lighting for the best experience. The Playdate includes a variety of pre-installed games, many of which are short but highly replayable. Additional games can be purchased, but storage space might become an issue. The sound quality is surprisingly good, with clear audio even at high volumes. User experience is enhanced by its intuitive design. The front panel is removable for easy filter changes, and the touch-sensitive display provides essential information at a glance. It can also be wall-mounted, saving floor space. However, the Playdate is not without its drawbacks. The lack of handles or wheels makes it less portable, and the high cost of replacement filters and the device itself might be a concern for some users. Ready to explore the next level of innovation? We've just introduced you to some of the most exciting gadgets on the market. The DJI Avata 2 drone, offering the thrill of FPV flying with intuitive controls and immersive goggles. The Ambassador Airbuds, a futuristic language translation device designed to be worn over the ear. The Air A3 Air Purifier, combining power and elegance for cleaner air in your home with smart features and customizable filters. And the Playdate handheld console, rekindling the joy of portable gaming with a unique crank controller and a variety of intriguing games. But that's not all. We have even more groundbreaking gadgets lined up just for you. Stay tuned for our upcoming reviews and detailed insights. Looking for an affordable yet powerful security camera? The Blink Mini 2 is Amazon's latest addition to its affordable security camera lineup. Compact and discreet, it offers several upgrades over the original, including improved low-light performance and a wider 143-degree field of view. These enhancements make it a standout option for monitoring your home both indoors and out. This tiny camera captures clear 1080p video, detects motion reliably, and fits just about anywhere. Its night vision capabilities have been significantly improved, providing better clarity in low light. The person detection feature effectively filters out false alarms from pets or moving shadows, ensuring you only get alerts for real intrusions. Setting up the Blink Mini 2 is a breeze. Simply scan a QR code, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Despite encountering a minor setup glitch with a Pixel phone, switching to an iPhone resolved the issue quickly. The Blink Mini 2 integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, allowing voice control and live feed viewing on Echo Show devices. Unfortunately, it doesn't support Google Home or Apple HomeKit, though it does offer ITTT or if this then that integrations for broader compatibility. Are you tired of constantly being glued to your smartphone? Introducing the Boring Phone, a sleek new device designed to bring simplicity back to your life. Developed by Human Mobile Devices. The makers of Nokia phones, this retro flip phone is perfect for those looking to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with real-life experiences. The Boring Phone, unveiled at Milan Design Week, is a result of a collaboration between Heineken and fashion brand Bodega. This unique device is a throwback to the early 2000s, featuring a transparent casing adorned with holographic stickers and green accents, reminiscent of classic gadgets. But don't let its nostalgic design fool you. It's built for the modern user who craves a break from constant connectivity. This feature phone only supports calls and texts, ensuring you stay focused on your surroundings. It includes a basic camera, dual SIM support, 4G connectivity, a headphone jack, and a micro USB port for charging. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to a week on standby. And for a touch of fun, it even includes the classic game Snake. HMD is also set to release a Barbie flip phone, emphasizing the growing trend of digital minimalism. While the Boring Phone won't be available for purchase, it will be distributed through competitions and events starting in Italy and expanding to other markets later this year. In a world where smartphones dominate, the Boring Phone offers a refreshing alternative, aligning with Gen Z's desire for digital detox and real-life connections. Stay tuned for more innovative gadgets, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment for the latest tech updates. Introducing the Nubia Watch, ZTE's latest creation that pushes the boundaries of wearable tech with its striking design and innovative features. Nubia, a ZTE-owned brand known for unique tech, presents the Nubia Watch, a follow-up to the Nubia Alpha. With its long, curved display and chunky design, it resembles its predecessor but without the impractical camera and gesture controls. The Nubia Watch offers a more refined experience, fixing many bugs from the Alpha and featuring a redesigned clasp for comfort during workouts and sleep. Despite improvements, the Nubia Watch retains several issues. It lacks a variety of lifestyle and communication apps, limiting interaction to basic texting and calling when paired with a phone. Notifications can be received, but not always read or replied to, and fitness tracking is basic with only 4 workout modes. Additionally, there's no option to view historical exercise data on the watch or its companion app. Physically, the Nubia Watch is substantial and eye-catching with its 4.01-inch AMOLED curved display, though its size and weight can make it cumbersome for everyday use. The device features a stainless steel and ceramic body, a single crown button, and a silicone strap, all of which contribute to a premium feel. However, the large screen and thick body can catch on clothing and feel uncomfortable during prolonged wear. The software is where the Nubia Watch falls short. Its proprietary system is limited and bug-prone, offering minimal functionality compared to competitors. While the display is vibrant and responsive, the apps do not fully utilize the screen's curved design. Basic features like transferring photos and music often fail, and the companion app is underdeveloped, lacking historical data tracking and customization options. Battery life is variable, lasting from 2 to 5 days depending on usage. Charging, done via a proprietary magnetic cradle, can be slow, especially when connected to a computer USB port. The Nubia Watch supports eSIM, GPS, and Wi-Fi, but these features are underutilized due to software limitations. The device aims to be a fashion-forward piece with basic smartwatch functions, but it is more of a design novelty than a practical everyday tool. While it stands out visually and offers some unique features, the Nubia Watch needs significant software improvements to justify its price and compete with more established smartwatches. Step into the future of action cameras with the Insta360 X4, the ultimate 360 degrees action cam that captures every moment in stunning 8K resolution. With a cutting-edge 5-nanometer AI chip, the X4 brings unprecedented clarity to your videos and photos, making every detail pop. The X4 supports 5.7K 60 FPS 360-degree video, perfect for high-action scenes, and can slow down to 4K 100 FPS for cinematic slow-motion shots. The magic of 360-degree capture allows you to reframe your shots post-recording, ensuring you never miss the perfect angle. Experience the invisible selfie stick, which disappears from your footage to create impossible third-person and drone-like views. The 360-degree active HDR mode enhances details in both highlights and shadows, providing superb stabilization for action sports. Capture breathtaking 72-megapixel 360-degree photos, or use the single-lens mode for traditional action shots at 4K 60 FPS. The X4 also features a 170-degree max view in free-frame video for ultra-wide shots at 4K 30 FPS. Flow state stabilization ensures smooth footage on any terrain, while 360-degree horizon lock keeps your video level even during extreme movements. The X4 is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters and can dive deeper with the invisible dive case, capturing stunning underwater 360-degree footage down to 164 feet or 50 meters. The upgraded 2,290 mAh battery offers 135 minutes of recording time at 5.7K 30 FPS, 67% more than its predecessor. The new 2.5-inch touchscreen made with Corning Gorilla Glass is bright and responsive, making it easy to control settings and preview shots. Gesture and voice controls add convenience, perfect for hands-free operation. The Insta360 app simplifies editing with AI-driven tools and the new Deep Track 3.0 for smoother tracking. Background downloading allows you to transfer footage while continuing your adventures. Insta360 Studio software and the Adobe Premiere plugin make professional-level editing straightforward. Enhance your X4 experience with various accessories like premium lens guards, the GPS preview remote, and the fast charge hub. Each accessory is designed to maximize your creative potential and keep your camera protected. Join the revolution with the Insta360 X4 and elevate your content creation to new heights. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an action enthusiast, the X4 is designed to deliver unparalleled performance and creativity. Thanks for joining us today as we explored some of the most exciting gadgets on the market, from the DJI Avata 2 drone to the Waverly Labs Ambassador Translator, the Air A3 Air Purifier, and the Playdate handheld console. Each of these devices brings unique features and innovative designs to enhance your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into more groundbreaking gadgets that give you real superpowers. You don't want to miss this.